This year, according to Forbes magazine, there were 5.2 million new millionaires in the world. These high income, high net worth people have got money to spend and they're looking to spend it. So, how the hell do you get your products in front of those people so they can pay top dollar for the stuff that you're selling? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm teaching you great ways to make more money selling things online, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and that way you won't miss anything at all. And if you've got something you want me to cover for you, or just a question about what I'm going to show you, then be sure to comment below and I'll show you, tell you, or do a video for you all about answering your question. All right, with that being said, let me show you how to target high net worth people. Where and how to target high income audiences, okay? So how the hell do you do that? Well, turns out that it's actually pretty easy to do. You can actually just use Facebook to do this. Now, I'm in Natasha's Facebook thing, and what I want to get to is I just want to get to letting me do it myself without you trying to do it. And because this is not a professional account, it's not letting me. Bastard! Try again. What have we got here? Audiences. Let's try here. Will it let me do it from here? Come on, you bastard. Detail targeting. Will it let me go to? Aha! It will let me do it. Okay, so in Facebook, it's actually super easy to target not high net worth people, but certainly to target high income people. Okay, high income, I guess, what's that? Over $200,000, $250,000 a year. I suspect that's probably high income. I don't know. But it's actually very, very easy to do that on Facebook. Facebook allows you to do that, okay? So when you're setting up your targeting, all you need to do is come to financial. You can go down to income, and you can target from there. Look, it lets you go into the household income, top 10% of incomes, top 5% of income. So I can just target the top 5% of incomes. You'd think that would be over 250,000. I've got no idea, but you'd think that would be over $250,000 a year. And now you are targeting people who are high income earners. It is as simple as that. It is as simple as that. I will also say to you as well, if you're looking to target high income people, there's some very, very important things to know about that. Now, I'm going to say some shit now that's going to, I guess, be a little bit controversial, and that's okay. And I believe that this is 100% true. Okay, so that when you are marketing to high income people, what you ought to do is make them feel that they are better than low income people. That sucks, and I get that sucks, but if you can do that, if you can give them a way they can flaunt their status as high income people to lower income people, you will make yourself a lot of money. So find a way to engineer that into your business. And if you look at all the businesses that target high net worth or high income people, they all do that. Some subtle, some not so subtle. Anyway, that's what you should do. The other thing as well, which is a really important consideration, is influencers. So as wealth increases, you tend to look a lot more for influencers who are in that same income bracket. And so if you can find some people who are in that same income bracket and use them to talk about your product, that will be very, very cool. Now, you may be asking yourself, how do you do that? How do you find influencers within that particular bracket? Somebody give me a niche that they want me to find them an influencer in, and I will find you an influencer. So that's how you do the Facebook thing, okay? It's a piece of piss. Finding people is so easy now. It's ludicrously easy. Anyway, let's go to that. Somebody give me something. Gardening, pets, kids' toys, home decor, jewelry. Ooh, watches. Oh, let's do watches. All right, so here's another little search thing, okay? Another little search thing. So here's how the search thing works. I'm going to put it in the chat for you. If you're watching the recordings, just listen to what I say. You'll get it from there. So here's how the search thing works. So the first thing I've got is site:*instagram.com. So I've discussed that already. That's what you use to pull up all the pages that Google has indexed on that site. Okay. Next thing I've got here is DM for collab. That is a very, very normal way of saying I am an influencer, and if you want to collaborate with me, aka you want me to promote your shit, DM me, direct message me, okay? So I've put that into quotation marks to make sure that only pages on Instagram that have those words on, DM for collab, show up, okay? So that's the next thing. And then the final thing is I've got my little niche, which is watches. So let's just hit return. So now I've got 64 possible results from people who are open to doing collaborations on Instagram within the watch niche. It's as easy as that. How friggin' easy is that? So you can also, as well, you could also try collaboration. You know, that could pull up some different people for you. Oh, it helps if I spelt it correctly. There you go. So that actually pulled up a lot more results for us, okay? 4,470 for that. So try both, because some categories, they use collab, and some categories will use collaboration, okay? So try both. And obviously a lot more people in this niche use collaboration, which makes sense, more high-end, more luxury, okay? Anyway, pretty cool, pretty easy. Any more on that? I don't think so. Boom, done. That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members and counting. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia, and our members have got sales of over $50 million online. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, you can get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.